In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a payment method on Taobao 2025. Step by step. First, open a desktop browser so you have the full menu layout and the clearest options. Head to world.taobao.com if you prefer a more global-facing page, or go straight to taobao.com. Log into your Taobao account using your phone or email with your password, or simply scan the QR code with the Taobao or Alipay app if that's easier. If any page is displayed in Chinese, your browser's translate feature can help you follow along without changing anything important. Once you're signed in, look to the top right of the page and hover over your profile icon. From the menu that appears, click Account Settings. This takes you to your account management area where you can control personal info and security, and importantly, your payment preferences. Inside Account Settings, find the section labeled Alipay Account or Payment Methods. Select Manage Payment Methods. Taobao uses Alipay to process payments, so this will open an Alipay page in a new tab or the same window. If a pop-up blocker interferes, allow the site or open the link again. You'll now be on alipay.com, sign in with your phone number and password, or use the QR code login with the Alipay app if you prefer a quick, secure option. Keep the app handy. It often speeds up verification. Once you're in Alipay, go to the cards section. Click Add Card. Enter your card number, the name exactly as it appears on the card, the expiry date, and the CVV. Fill in your billing address just as your bank has it on file to avoid mismatches. Small details matter here, so double check for typos and ensure the address format is accurate for your country. When everything looks correct, click Save. Your card will appear under Linked Payment Methods. If Alipay asks for any on-screen confirmation, follow the prompts to finish. A quick note, some foreign cards might not be supported for direct Taobao payments. If your card isn't accepted, consider alternatives like a forwarder's payment service or Alipay Tour Card, which are designed to help international shoppers complete purchases more smoothly. Now return to Taobao and proceed to your checkout page. Refresh if needed, and you should see your newly added payment method available during payment. From here, you can continue your purchase as normal. That's it. You've added a payment method to Taobao using Alipay, making future checkouts faster and more reliable. If something doesn't appear right away, recheck your card details and try again, or use one of the recommended alternatives. Thanks for watching and happy shopping.